What's up, YouTube? So right now we're going to dive into my computer. We're going to go over how to make an original ornament for a Christmas tree. Right now I am on kittl.com. That's KITTL.com. And this program is just such a good program. So over here, I hope you can see this. I'm over here on the left side. I clicked elements and I go up to the search bar. I want to type in Christmas. All we're going to do is type in Christmas for now. And then let's just scroll down and take a look. We're going to see if we can find something that kind of inspires us. So, like this tree kind of, we can make something out of that. I'll show you here in a minute. Just scroll down until you see something. I typed in Christmas, but you can type in anything. So let's do a few different ones. Let's do ornament. I don't like that. So let's do one more. Let's type in ghost for Halloween. We'll decide which one we want to do, but yeah, that's an interesting one. Let's do this ghost one because this is actually more interesting than that tree. So, okay, let's just leave it at that. So here we go. I'm just going to show you. I probably wouldn't make this ornament to sell, but I just want to show you this style of making an ornament. So I'm on Kittl. I chose this file that I want, so I'm going to go up here to download, and then what we want to do is download an SVG because Glowforge and xTools and things like that, they use SVG files. And you probably already know this, but here. So what do we want to do? Just download it how it is. All right, so this is SVG. Now I'm just going to show you something really quick. See, we don't want it to be able to do this. We don't want to have it warped. So let's go back. What you want to do is go up here to this padlock and lock it. So now when you move this thing all around, it stays in proportion. Okay, so what we're going to do now, go up here to the top, go to object and ungroup. And then let's do it again. Ungroup. Now, you can see it separates. See, it just had this little orange square behind it, giving its eyes and mouth that color. So we can discard that, just delete that. Now here is a ghost. I'm going to show you two ways. The first way, we're going to turn this ghost, just as it is, into an ornament. It's very easy. You want to click the circle, make a circle. Now duplicate the circle. Change the color of the duplicated circle and then make it a little bit smaller. So now here is the hole. Okay, what you're doing is making a hole. Highlight it. Go to path, difference. Now you have a hole here. Now you need a square. Make a square. Now you want to bring this square over here to the ghost. All right. I don't know what that is. Highlight the ghost. Or you want to highlight the ghost and the square. Go up here to the top, click path and union. Didn't work the way we wanted it to. Click that ghost and ungroup it some more. When that doesn't work, there's almost something else here. Let's try it again. Path, union. So there was something else there. We had to get it off first, and it's not there anymore. So, all right. Now you want to bring this circle down here. Highlight it all, click path, union. Now you just made a ghost ornament. I'm telling you, it's really that easy. You just have to be a little creative, a little resourceful. It's that easy. So let's go back a few times now. All right. Okie dokie. So here we go. Here's the second option. Make a big circle. And let's go up here and make sure it's even. Change this to inches. We're a little bit off. 10. Let's make this 11. Okay. So now, make sure the circle's highlighted, duplicate it, change the inner circle to a different color, and shrink it down a little. Now, what you want to do, highlight both circles, go over to the right here, and then find this. It'll say align and distribute. Go down and find center on vertical axis. Click it. All right, so it didn't move because I already had it centered. All right, so you want to highlight those, make sure those are highlighted. Click path and then difference. You probably know where I'm going with this. Now, bring this square over to the circle. Highlight both of them. Go to path, click union. You've connected that square to that circle now. Now all you need is this. You highlight it. Go up to the top again, path, union. Now you got your circle. You have your ornament now. Now we're going to put this in here. You want to make sure it's big enough to touch a few sides. You don't want it to be too. All right. Yeah, there we go. So right now the head is touching and then the tail of this ghost is touching. You're going to highlight it all, go up to the top, click path, union. Now you just made a ghost ornament. This is awesome. You know, it's really this easy. We're going to stop there. So if you have any questions about this and you want to see me make more originals, this is an original design. That's how easy it is. You just got to be creative. Just be a little different. Come up with something, and that's that. So tomorrow, come back, and I'm going to make a Christmas ornament. I'm going to use some stuff from Kittle, but it's going to be a little more complex than this. We're going to use some words, some designs. We may create a different shaped ornament, things like that. So this one's a little more simpler, on the simple side. I just want you to get familiar with unions, differences, adding an object, things like that. This next one's going to be a step up. So like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions.